Title: Understanding Voltage, Electrical Basics for Beginners. Welcome to our electrical classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important principles in electricity: voltage. Before we understand voltage, we need to understand that electricity is the movement of electrical energy through a circuit. For electricity to flow, we need a force that pushes the electrons through the wires. This force is called voltage. Voltage is the electrical pressure or force that pushes electric current through a circuit. The symbol for voltage is the letter V, and the unit of measurement is called the volt. For example, when we say a battery is 12 volts, it means the battery can provide a pressure of 12 volts to push current through a circuit. Now let's look at the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. These three electrical quantities work together and are explained by a formula called Ohm's law. The formula is V equals I times R, where V represents voltage measured in volts, I represents current measured in amps, R represents resistance measured in ohms. Let's solve a practical example. Imagine we have an electrical circuit where the current is 2 amps and the resistance is 5 ohms. To find the voltage, we use the formula V equals I times R. We replace the values V equals 2 times 5. The answer is V equals 10 volts. This means our circuit needs 10 volts to push 2 amps of current through a resistance of 5 ohms. Now let's look at a real-life example. A small LED light may use a low voltage supply, while household appliances such as televisions and refrigerators use higher voltage supplies. Voltage is very important because the correct voltage allows electrical devices to work safely and efficiently. Too little voltage may cause a device not to work properly, while too much voltage can damage electrical equipment. This is why electricians always check voltage before working on electrical systems. A tool called a multimeter is used to measure voltage. Electricians use the multimeter to check if the correct voltage is available in a circuit. Remember, voltage is the electrical pressure, current is the flow of electricity, resistance controls the flow of electricity. Understanding the difference between voltage, current, and resistance is the foundation of learning electrical engineering. Thank you for joining this electrical class. If you learned something new today, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple electrical lessons.